Before starting, let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this decoration. I'm going to make the decoration like this. You can use it to decorate the aisle to put the nearby the chair. And also you can use it as the table decoration like this. So today's tutorial, I will show you how I make this type of decoration by using the material I have. Okay, let's go. First of all, we need to put our floral foam on our net holder. Okay, first of all, we start with the tallest then. I like to use this one to insert on the floral foam. Okay, look, this is the taller layer. And then we will fill the other flower, leaf, and other material with different layer. Let's go. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Very simple, just insert all the material on the floral foam to make it full and make different layers. You can keep adjusting until satisfied, but actually it's not difficult. Okay, now let's zoom in and check the detail. We use a lot of material, different color and different type of leaf. This palm leaf and some weed and our rose and this some small flower and some of our plastic material. This material could make you some fairy, look fairies, your decision, your design. Our rose and our hydrangea. We use different lengths of the stem to make the different layer. This item could be used on the table as the table centerpiece, or you can put it on the aisle, aside of the desk, the chair. And if you are making a garden outdoor event, you can make several of this kind of decoration and put it on the garden. The come out will be very beautiful. The most of all, you can buy all the material by once from me to save shipping costs. For your reference, we supply all material used on our tutorial. That will help to save shipping costs. On the bottom film, you can change the leaf, the green leaf by other color, so the come out will be much more pretty, I think. About our flower and leaf color, we have a lot of color, like not just green, pink, or orange. We have yellow, blue, a lot of color. If you are interested, you can link to my blog, so you can check all the items. The link you can find it from the information field below this video. Okay, again, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.